Hello friends, today I am doing latest GK and current affairs useful for all competitive exams. First one, National Parks in Assam. Dibru-Saikhowa National Park, Manas National Park, Nameri National Park, Rajiv Gandhi Organ National Park, Kaziranga National Park. Second one, Amrit Kaur, former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and freedom fighter Rajkumari Amrit Kaur are mentioned in Time magazine's list of the 100 most powerful women who defined the last century in a new project that aims to feature those women who were often overshadowed. Amrit Kaur was the first woman in the independent India who joined the cabinet as the health minister and remained in that position for 10 years. Born into the Kapurthala royal family, she was educated in Oxford and returned to India in 1918 and began to be drawn towards the work and teachings of M.K. Gandhi. Third one, phosphatic fertilizers. Fertilizers are chemical substances that contain the nutrient phosphorus in an absorbable form. Phosphate anions or that yield after conversion in the soil. Phosphates help plants store energy, root well, flower and produce fruit. The DAP or diammonium phosphate is widely used phosphatic fertilizer in our country. The total fertilizer consumption in India is 27 million tons, out of which about 20 to 25% of phosphorus and nitrogen based nutrients are dependent on imports from the United States, Jordan, Iran, Oman, China, Russia, Morocco, Israel, Lithuania, and Egypt. Fourth one, United Nations Population Fund, or UNPF, subsidiary organ of the UN General Assembly, earlier established as a trust fund in 1967. In 1987, it was officially renamed UNPF. Not supported by the UN budget, instead, it is entirely supported by voluntary. It supports health, education, gender equality. Fifth one, the fund deflect or cash flow mismatches of the government are largely managed through first one, insurance of treasury bills. Second one, getting temporary loans from the RBI called WAYS and means advances or WMA and insurance of cash management bills or CMBs. Treasury bills are short term up to 1 year borrowing instruments of the Government of India which enable investors to park their short term surplus funds while reducing their market risk. CMBs are short term bills issued by the central government to meet its immediate cash needs. The bills are issued by the RBI on behalf of the government having a maturity of less than 90 days. Sixth one, Palghat Gap. It is a low mountain pass in the Western Ghats between Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu and Palakkad in Kerala, located between Nilagiri Hills to the north and Anaimalai Hills to the south. Bharatpuzha River originates from here. This gap allows the southwest monsoon winds to enter into western Tamil Nadu. It also allows the hot winds from Tamil Nadu, which warm the eastern Kerala, and the tropical cyclone winds from Bay of Bengal. Seventh one, Coral Triangle Day. The Coral Triangle Day 2020 was observed on June 9. The Coral Triangle Day is an annual event started by Coral Triangle Initiative or CTI since 2012 in conjunction with the World Oceans Day on June 8th to celebrate and raise awareness of the ocean conservation and protection, especially of the Coral Triangle. Coral Triangle Initiative or CTI. It is a multilateral partnership of 6 countries: Malaysia, Philippines, Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands, and Timor Leste. Coral Triangle. It is a vast ocean expanse that geographically spreads across 6 countries in Asia and the Pacific: Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands, and Timor Leste. Eighth one, Nathula Pass. Nathula is a mountain pass in the Himalayas in East Sikkim. It connects the Indian state of Sikkim with China's Tibet autonomous region. The pass at 14 of 140 feet forms a part of an offshoot of the ancient Tea Horse Road. It is also one of the 5 officially agreed border personnel meeting points between the Indian Army and the People's Liberation Army of China for regular consultations and interactions between the two armies to improve relations. Ninth one, Beltan National Park. The Beltan National Park is located in Palamu district of Jharkhand state. The North Koyal River and its tributaries flow through the northern portion of the park, producing grasslands. 10th one, Nagarhole National Park, also known as Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.